Alright, we have already talked about graphing lines by plotting points and also by using the x and y intercepts, but I wanted to do another problem very similarly. And the real reason that I wanted to do this is because of the fractions in it. And I know that a lot of times whenever we see an equation that has fractions in it, you automatically kind of want to shut down and not try it. But I want to give you some hints on how to do it a little bit smarter. So this says we're going to use plotting points to be able to graph this. So I'm going to create my x and my y chart just like we have been doing to plot points. But this time whenever I choose some x values, I'm going to have to be a little bit smarter about what I'm doing. So when I choose my x values, I'm going to have to multiply those by 2/3. So we need to choose values of x that would be easily multiplied by 2/3. Here's your big hint. Choose values of x that will cancel with this denominator. So I might try things like -3, 0, and 3. And then watch what happens. When I use -3 for the x value, that makes 2/3 times -3 plus y equals 6. And now look, 3 and -3 will cancel and leave me with a -1. So 2 times -1 is -2 plus y equals 6. When we add 2 to both sides, we get y equals 8. So now we have the point 3, 8. I'm going to go ahead, or -3, 8 rather. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plot that point right there. Now let's try and see what happens when x is 0. I would have 2/3 times 0 plus y equals 6. Well, anything times 0 is 0, so we can just get rid of that. And now we have y equals 6. So we have the point when x was 0, y has to be 6. So when we plot that, it looks like it's right there. Now normally 2 points rather, is all you need to create a line. But since we're plotting points here, let's go ahead and do a third point just to make sure that we've not made any kind of mathematical errors. So if I choose an x value of 3, and I do 2/3 times 3 plus y equals 6. Now our 3's will cancel, and we have 2 plus y equals 6. Or y equals, we have to subtract 2 from both sides to get 4. So this is the point 3, 4. I'm going to plot that right there. Now, these 3 points are collinear, meaning they lie along the same line. So when I draw the line here, I am pretty much assured that now I've not made any mathematical errors, and this is what the graph of 2/3 x plus y equals 6 actually looks like.